In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust video speed in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to slow down or speed up your clip with confidence. Whether you're using the CapCut website on a computer or the CapCut app on your phone or tablet. Start by opening CapCut. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile app. Both work great for this. The interface may look slightly different depending on your device, but the tools we'll use are the same. Once you're in, create a new project. Choose the 16:9 canvas. This is the standard widescreen format that fits most horizontal videos, like YouTube and many social platforms. Picking it now helps you see exactly how your clip will look in a typical landscape frame. If your footage was shot horizontally, this aspect ratio will prevent black bars and unnecessary cropping. Next, add your video to the project. On a computer, you can import your file and then drag it down onto the timeline. On a phone or tablet, tap to add your clip and make sure it sits on the main timeline track. If you have multiple takes, choose the one you want to adjust for speed. The speed change applies to the selected clip, so double-check that it's highlighted. With the clip selected, look for the speed control. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the toolbar or the panel that appears when the clip is selected. On mobile, it's in the bottom tool tray after you tap the clip. The Speed tool is designed to make timing adjustments quick and visual. Now, adjust it. Slide the control to the left to slow the video down and to the right to speed it up. You'll see the clip's duration change in real time. Slower motion makes the clip longer and faster motion shortens it. Use preview playback to check how it feels. For gentle slow motion, try values around 0.7x to 0.9x. For dramatic slow motion, go lower. For time-lapse energy, try 1.5x, 2x, or more, depending on how punchy you want it. Keep an eye on motion blur and camera shake. Very slow speeds look best with steady footage, while fast speeds can add a snappy, energetic feel. Remember that changing speed also affects audio. When you slow a clip down, voices may drop in pitch. When you speed it up, they may sound higher and faster. If the audio isn't critical, focus on the visuals first and review how it sounds as you preview. That's it. Open CapCut, create a new 16:9 project, add your video, select speed, and adjust until it looks just right. Save your project, and you're all set.